totally safe.
Education Minister Rakkam Sangma has castigated VPP for criticizing Bryan Adams' concert, which was held in Shillong recently. Sangma, while reacting to the opposition of VPP, said events of this magnitude, where an international star has performed, will only take Shillong to new heights. The statement came from Sangma after VPP termed these concerts as a painkiller to the sufferings of the people in the state.
I don't know whether they like music or not, but I've seen they also used to sing the song, right? So that means if they form the government, if one day if they dream to form the government, they will not allow artists and any like Shillong Chamber not to perform in the state. We should allow. I don't think so. This is something which is. I think this, that does not sound good for the young people of our state. So